Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join the Hype Squad on Discord. So you'll get like the Hype Squad badge and whatnot. So go to user settings and scroll down until you find Hype Squad. It says ready to rep Discord, select join Hype Squad. It will give you like 5 questions and you'll have to answer it to get like the badge. It says the nightmare situation finally happens to you. You order food at a restaurant and what comes out is not what you ordered. You eat it without saying anything. Don't complain. Complain to the table. Complain to the waiter. I would probably eat it without saying anything because I'm scared. Next question. Your favorite out of these genres is? Oh my gosh, either poetry or romance. Let's do poetry. Your computer desk looks like a mess. There we go. Oh, there we go. Your dream house would definitely have some giant rolling fireplace. That's definitely. You can only listen to one type of music for the rest of your life. Do you pick something catchy, nostalgic, relaxing? Let's do nostalgic. Show me my house. Let's go. Oh, House of Balance. The House of Balance thanks you for joining our efforts to protect the land and maintain the legacy of, can't pronounce that. Your ability to stay stout and steadfast in times of uncertainty is admirable. Without your natural understanding of both your environment and your inner self, we would be much closer to descending into chaos. Cool. You can also switch houses by taking the test again. I don't think it was House of Balance the first time I took the test, so things change. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!